That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic. That black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo.
What's up, kings and queens? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janisha, for those who may or may not know, and I'm back with another video. Boop, period, poo. And in this video, I am getting ready to go to a baby shower, and this is my old wash and go that I'm starting on, and I'm just putting it in a high puff. That's all. That's it. And if you haven't seen that video, it will be up in the cards or down in the description box below. And yeah, so we're just gonna put this in the puff. You know how to put it in the puff. I'm moisturizing it, making sure it's not dry, and that's it. You already know I'm started with my eyebrows already on and snatched, and I'm just gonna be putting some eyebrow gel on them to set them in place. Y'all, this was an easy, fast look. I didn't do nothing dramatic or extra over the top. It's just a base on my eyelids, a wing liner, and some pink. That's all, because she's having a girl, so I decided to do a pink low liner eyeshadow and a pink glitter liner on top. That's it, and that's all. So I decided to do my eyeliner off camera because it was difficult for me to do. It took me like 30 minutes, but it got done, period. Okay. And I'm also going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355 coconut, and I'm going to be mixing that with the Loreal illuminating primer, and then I'll prime my face with the Smashbox photo finish primer, and that's it. That's nothing new. Y'all know that I use that in my everyday life. That's a staple product. Every time I put on my foundation, like, it takes me a good minute because I blend like my life depends on it. Like, I just blend away, y'all. So make sure you blend, all right? Even get your neck, your ear, okay? You want to look like that foundation is your skin, okay? And I'm going to be highlighting with, of course, Colorpop highlighter. I recently just went to go buy a lighter shade, and I'm gonna try that out in my next video, because I feel like this was like a little too close to my skin color, you know? It didn't give me a highlight, you know, a highlight, you know what I'm saying?
promise you're cool with it. I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you.
So I also set my face with the Black Radiance setting powder, and I contoured with the Black Radiance contour palette. And I want to try a different setting powder. Like I want to try the BNI setting powder or the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, like one of those setting powders, you know, to see the difference, because sometimes I feel like I look ashy with that one.
Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now, I've been waiting. Think I wanna make that move. Now, baby, tell me how you like it. Baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. I promise you like it. I swear. Just relax and let me make the move. So secret, but keep it between me and you. Now, oh yeah, yeah. Think I wanna make that move. Move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now, yeah, yeah. Think I wanna make that move. Gonna make the move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. Me and you, I waited. Me and you.
Okay, so I'm taking the Zulu palette and I'm using that pink and put it on my lower lash line, because like I said earlier, she is having a girl. So I just add like a little splash of color, and I took the NYX glitter primer and the NYX glitters in the pink shade, and I just put that on top of my line, my wing liner, and just add a little pizzazz to the look. Alright, so I added my moles back because, you know, the foundation covered them up a little bit. And y'all, I have been obsessed with lashes lately. So I went to the beauty supply store and got me some lashes. They were like $3.99 each. And I can't even tell y'all the name of the brand. And if I do, I will leave it down. If I found the package, I will leave it down in the description bar below. And like, this is almost the final look. Like, I'm almost done. Add my highlighter. I use like a nude lip for this look. I was gonna try to go for a red one, but I couldn't find my red lipstick. So yeah, this is basically the final look. You add that highlight, you make sure you set that face, and boom, that's it. Period. Alright, you guys, so yes, this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you made it to the end, you already know I fucked with you the hard way. Y'all, my channel is growing. Subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Like, just let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see and all that extraness. So bye, and y'all have a nice day, night, or morning. Peace.
Oh, yeah, girl, I dey confused. And anytime you step on the door, say, make me dey confused. I'm loving that, loving your African wings. I'm all like you, they make me dey go gaga. I'm loving that, loving your African tease. I'm all like they make me dey go gaga. Baby, you're dey confused. I wanna play your game. Baby, you're dey confused.